Wyoming state officials voted Thursday to table a controversial proposal to auction off state-owned public lands within Grand Teton National Park. The State Board of Land Commissioners unanimously agreed to hold additional public discussions and reconsider proposal in the fall of 2024, focusing on a 640-acre parcel called Kelly Parcel. There is absolutely no doubt that the parcel discussed today is incredibly valuable and truly the crown jewel of Wyoming, Board Superintendent Megan Degenfelder said at a public hearing Thursday. As state land brokers, we of course have a fiduciary duty to our beneficiaries to generate revenue from state-trusted lands, he continued. But Degenfelder underlined board's duty roll up our sleeves to protect our state and maximize the benefit before calling for a motion table vote. The Kelly Parcel, valued at $62.4 million, is located within the outer limits Grand Teton National Park, according to an analysis prepared by Jenifer Scoggin, director of the Wyoming State Department Lands and Investments. When Wyoming became a state, it received school trust lands. But those parcels ultimately became part of Grand Teton National Park. According to the analysis, this proposal has a long history, Scoggin said at Thursday's hearing. The document stated that Wyoming's rights to the Kelly Parcel include 100% of both surface and mineral properties and that only surface properties will be disposed of at auction. Although the Board of Land Commissioners was required to generate revenue from school trust lands to support education, it largely failed to do so, producing only $2,846 a year through grazing permits. The document explained. The board began negotiating a land swap agreement with federal government for 4 public trust parcels in the late 1990s. According to analysis, however, when no concrete progress was made by 2010, agency notified Park that it was ready to fulfill its fiduciary responsibility to manage trust lands and could sell parcels. Ultimately, the Department of the Interior purchased 3 other outstanding parcels from 2010 to 2016. After negotiations with federal government went well, state officials determined that the Kelly Parcel, located about 14 miles northeast of Jackson, Wyoming, should be destroyed under existing Wyoming law. According to analysis, that's why Scoggin placed Kelly Parcel on divestiture list in February 2021, reasoning that such a sale could significantly increase funds available for distribution states, school districts compared to revenues currently realized. According analysis, an updated document released by Scoggin ahead of Thursday's hearing suggested the minimum acceptable bid should be set at $80 million, a jump from the previous $62.4 million. Jason Crowder, Deputy Director of Department of State Lands, acknowledged at the hearing that there were widespread concerns about plans. During the 60-day public comment period, he and his colleagues held 4 public hearings.